Okay, so the first one is we have to find acceleration is in first 10 seconds. Acceleration in 10 seconds. Okay, I have to find this thing. How will I find it? First of all, I'm marking this point 10 comma 40. Right? This point is 10 comma 40. No, it's not 40. It's a little bit higher, beta. It's not on 40. It's a little bit higher. So if you will check it from the book, it is basically 10 on 50. Okay. This one is going at 10 and 50, right? And this one will be 0 comma 20. So acceleration will be gradient of this line, which means 50 minus 20 over 10 minus 0, that will be 30 over 10. So 3 meter per second squared will be your final answer. So first of all, B part, you have to find so in B part, I have to find distance in first 15 seconds. Okay. So how will I take it? I can't take them directly. So I have divided them into two parts. This one is a trapezium, and this one is a trapezium. Okay. How I'm going to solve it? So first of all, for this one, half into what will be my base? My base will be 10 into parallel sides are these two. So this is 20 and this is 50. 20 plus 50 plus coming over here. Coming over here, half into what will be my base now? My base will be 10 into parallel side from 10 to 30. My parallel side will be first parallel side will be 20 plus then 10 to 50. This will be 40. Simplifying it, half into 10 into 70 plus half into 10 into 60. Okay. Sorry, this one is not coming 10. This one is coming 50. Simplified, this will become 700 over 2 plus 50 into 60. That will be 3000 over 2. Okay, that will be 3000 over 2. When I am going to simplify it, my answer is going to be 1850 meter. That's your total distance which is covered over here in 50 seconds. Now, part C is saying that we have to find velocity. Velocity in 50 seconds. I have to find average velocity in 50 seconds. How will I find that? I have got the total distance from here, that is coming 1850. Okay, and we know that this velocity formula is distance over time. So what is your distance coming? 1850. What was your time coming? 50. So velocity is 37 meter per second. That's your velocity in part C. Okay. Now, B part of the question is saying that find the total distance. Total distance in 30 seconds. In 80 seconds, I have to find total distance in 80 seconds. Okay. So what will I do? First of all, I will take this distance, that is 1850 plus After that, I will take distance. It's a triangle. So half into what's your base? 50 to 80. The base will be 30. And after that, I'm going to find out, okay, what is the height given to me over here? And the height is given to me as 30. So 1850 plus 13 to 30, 900. 900 divided by 2 will be 450. So when I will add it, my final answer will be coming 2300 meter. Okay. The total distance covered by the body is 2300 meter over here. Right? E part of the question is saying that the distance from the starting point after 80 seconds. Distance after 80 seconds from starting point. So see, the body is reaching at this point, the velocity is becoming 0. And we have read in exercise 22.1 that when in this motion the velocity is becoming 0, it means after the body has taken a U-turn. So how much will be the distance when the body has covered? How much distance the body will be covering when it has reached 80 seconds? Okay, how much distance will be there from the starting point? I have to find, and for that, what I will be doing? This one was coming 1850. This distance, the body is covered 1850 over here, and the body has covered 450 over here. 1850 over here, 450 over here. This one, the body is moving in this direction. This one, the body is coming back. So how far is the body from the starting point? You will subtract them, 1850 minus 450, and your final answer is coming 1400 meters. That's your final answer.